Hey you guys, it's me back again. As you can tell, I have no makeup on today. Today I was not intending on recording, but my Boxycharm came in, so I figured I'd film this real quick little video for you guys. It's not going to be much. I literally haven't even unpacked my makeup from my trip, which by the time this goes up, you'll have seen my video. This one's just real quick, just going through my Boxycharm, see what I got, and how this all goes. So, you know the drill. Let's get started. Alright, I already sliced it open. I forgot I had scissors in here, so I already just sliced it, but I haven't opened it yet, so this will be the first time I've seen it. I have been, as usual, keeping track of spoilers, but I don't know everything that I'm getting, and I don't know exactly what I'm getting, so we'll see. Here's the little insert. The theme for the month is Wildflower, which I really like that. It's got that nice transitioning into fall thing happening. Okay. Oh, this looks like it was a pretty good box. Alright, what have I got here? First thing I see is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. And I believe this is the shade Tropic Hues. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Looks like I think it's one of those highlighter blushes. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's a good shade, too. Ooh. This retails at $28. So, wow. That's really good. I've never tried Laura Geller. I'm interested to see what those products are like. Alright. Next, I see the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. This retails for $19. This is what it looks like. Kind of curious. I've heard interesting things about this. Let's see. Is it a screw top? Pop top? I don't know. What? It's got a little wheel. How does this work? Let me just look at how thin that line is. Okay. Okay. I've heard of these before but never used one, so yeah, look how thin that line is. Oh my gosh. I will definitely be trying this out to say, oh, you're supposed to shake it. That's good to know for the future. Yeah, this will be interesting to try. I can't wait to actually try this with a look, so we'll see how this is. Oh, we got more brushes. More brushes. These are the Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set. This retails at $18. There's 3 synthetic brushes. Let's get them out of their little packaging. I like the colors. This is a pretty green. This fluffy brush. Let's see. This is a flat painter brush. It's supposed to be for applying color, it looks like. I like how thin the handle is on this. It's not like a super thick handle like some smaller brushes have. So this will be interesting to try. And then we've got fluffy blender brush, as I kind of expected from that. And then this one is the flat tight liner brush. So this will be interesting to try as well. I'm intrigued. These are very different eye brushes than I expected, but I'm intrigued. I'm not very good at eye brushes yet, so we'll see. Alright. Oh. Okay, next we have the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color. This is the box, and I see the shade's called Dusty Plum. This looks so pretty. Okay, if I can get it open. There we go. Ooh. I have a Lorac palette, but like I got it before I was really into makeup and it didn't mean anything. And like I've used like one shade that's hit pan and that's about it. That's such a beautiful fall pink. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to start transitioning into wearing that. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm excited. That retails for $19 as well. And last but not least, this thing I was really super excited about and knew was coming, the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. This retails at $35. I've seen these at Sephora, I'm sorry. I'm really excited. Here's the outside packaging. Their packaging is so pretty. Just all of Pretty Vulgar's packaging is so pretty. Oh, look at that. It's got a nice mirror, and look at how pretty this is. Oh man. I'm gonna swatch a couple of these. I'm not gonna swatch all of them, just there's actually a decent number of shades here. I'm gonna swatch a few of these. Let's see. Break Free is like a shimmery shade. I'm gonna swatch that. That wasn't much of a swatch. Okay. Yeah, that's like basically a highlighter. There's not much to that. Let's try Dark Side, which is like a satiny, light purpley shade. Oh, the texture on that's so much better than the other one. It's like a gray-brown color. I'm swatched. I'm gonna swatch Swoop, which is like a brown shade. Right there. These two colors look very similar. This one's just got like a shimmer to it, so that's kind of neat. Silver Spoon, that's a very unique color. It's like a blue silver color. So I'm going to swatch that one as well. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's very pretty. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I'm not going to swatch all of them. There's a lot more shades than there usually are in the Boxycharm palettes. I haven't seen one that has more than like 8. This one's got 12. So this is a full-size palette. This is probably one of the biggest palettes that I've gotten from Boxycharm thus far. So I'm pretty excited. I don't have a lot of these shades, these like dark browns and smoky eye shades. So I'm gonna try to learn how to do a good smoky eye, because a lot of what I do is very like generic, I guess. I don't know, but I'm very excited to play with this. Hopefully this weekend or later on this week to see how it looks in use. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm trying to shorten the Boxycharm opening videos. I know they're not like the most interesting thing, but you know, some people are interested, and I like sharing them with you guys. So that's what's important here. So if you like this video, or you know, if you learned something, or if you're interested in seeing more content like this, give it a good thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can see all the craziness as soon as I post it. Yeah, that's all I've got for you guys today, so see you next time.